Welcome to a wonderland where anything's possible.
Bahia Principe Fantasia Punta Cana.
When's our next fam trip?
Your next fan trip is right now. We have 3 room categories at this property. They are Deluxe Junior Suite, Deluxe Junior Suite Castle View, and Deluxe Junior Suite Castle Front. Which is one of the only properties within Bahia Principe you can accommodate in the Junior Suite up to 5 persons. We have amazing dining options. Like we have unlimited a la carte dinners at the property here at the Fantasia, as well as all the grants throughout the property. We have 3 a la carte restaurants located here. We have the Italian,
Molto bella.
we have the Gourmet, and the third one is the Garden Grill.
Our brand new Las Olas Beach House is a 2-story modern beach house with views of the Caribbean Sea and contains 5 separate a la carte restaurants which are available to every guest at the Bavaro Resort Complex. It contains Thali for our Indian cuisine, the Greek for Mediterranean fare, Rodizio for a Brazilian style steakhouse, Tequila, and the Fish Market for gourmet succulent seafood plucked straight from the Caribbean Sea.
Now, talk about the kids, because it is a family-friendly resort, it's a family property. We have amazing kids activities. We have a great kids club. Great water park back there. We also have lots of activities for the teens. Also, every night at 10 p.m. we have an amazing show right here behind me on the castle that you see back there. It's a lightened show, it's a mapping experience. Carlos, what do they get?
Really, what the mapping is it's almost like 3-dimensional characters climbing the rooks, climbing across the bridges, and it's Papimbe.
It takes its inspiration from a fictional character. Never stop pursuing your dreams. The magic is in you.
Welcome to the world of fantasy.
Papimbe found a magical rock, and from that magical rock sprouted this amazing fantasy land that we're in now.
Follow your dreams.
We are enjoying this wonderful fantasy land here at Bahia Principe Fantasia Punta Cana.